We've got a reservation at Holoholo Grill. Got a nice pool area. Not too small, not too big. Really tropical feel there. We like just walking around at these places to see what they're like.
We might want to stay.
You feel like you've kind of stayed here, but you didn't have to pay them any money. Oh, that's the Holoholo Grill right there. Uh-huh. They got some covered areas to eat, and some that are kind of out here more in the open with just the umbrellas. Wow, voted best pool in America. Here's a hot tub. Looks very inviting. I like the way this is set up, this pool. Right. Oh, and it's got the little pass-through right there.
Oh, that is so...
Oh man, it goes way over there. Sweet deal. Christy is not really authorized to be in that pool, or the hot tub. Not letting that stop her. Yeah, I'm seeing it. I see why it was voted the best pool. Christy figures it's our last night here. We get kicked out of here. We'll just find someplace else to eat. Oh, there's another cool area up there on that second level. Wow, this is a cool little area.
Look up there. There's an infinity pool.
Let's take a look up there.
Yeah. Wow, I hope that little kid is old enough to remember that. That is really neat.
We're checking on this kid. The guy looked like he was pretty on the level.
Yeah.
I'm not really worried about the kid. We're just curious. Oh, yeah. It's a little tunnel area back here. Oh, the kid's back. The kid's back. He's reappeared. I hope that kid was above the water during that time. Yeah, this is, I don't know, between this and the Grand Hyatt pool, it's pretty close.
If it starts raining, you're out here at the pool, go in that little man-made cave, sit at a table there, just relax, watch the rain coming into the pool. It'd be awesome.
And you said have a drink?
Yeah, have a drink.
Can you stop thinking about a drink for just a minute? Heading up to that upper level. I guess this would be the top level. Yeah. Where they have the little cabanas. Very nice. Wow, you can, from up here, look down on the other levels. Beautiful.
Right now it's nice and shady.
It's the best time of day. Best time. Yet another hot tub. Oh, no swimming. There is a hot tub over there. I think you can see it from over here, Birdie. All right. These are the non-swimming areas right here and here. And there's that upper level pool. And then this is a non-swimming decorative little area.
Looks like it ought to be a lazy river.
Yeah. I'm gonna go up to the mouth of this river.
Oh, look at this. That is so pretty.
Little waterfall back there. Very pretty.
Wow, that is so pretty. About the smell of the water and the lawn. It smells like Springs of Life Camp that I went to in 6th grade. That's what it does.
So if any of you went to the Springs of Life camp, you can relate to that.
I loved it. It was awesome. River, it should have fish.
Wow. They did not cut corners on this water feature here. Very nice.
Yeah, this place is awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, really awesome. I love it.
Just after sunset here. The sun just went down. That's where we just ate. Last night on the island. Wow, beautiful over there. Those palm trees silhouetted against the sky.